Worse for you, though.
You have reached your destination.
I'm
Are you ready to show your courage in order to save your son?
I have to keep
No,
shifting
fine.
up.
No, it's fine. Let's go. Let's just go.
Okay.
Take the highway and drive against the traffic for 5 miles. If you haven't reached your destination in 5 minutes, you can better leave.
Oh, did I reach the destination?
Sean!
I can do
I can't read this
I'd
stuff
do
now
anything
because
to
the
save my
camera's in the
son.
way.
Sean!
I don't want to die.
I don't want to die.
Not
I
like
think there
this.
might be a meme about that, like Mario Kart or something. The triangle.
If I succeed, I'll get more letters for the hangar. It's my only need. No turning back now.
There's no turning back now. You can still reject it.
I've got to do it. For Sean's sake. I
Please,
have
well,
no choice.
So this basically game has like a camera there. Why can't this button work? There it goes. I have to meet you down there, I guess. Alright, so go.
Hopefully we can see it all. Alright, left.
Oh shit, I went the way. Oh, I went left. Okay, whatever.
That's
To right.
alright.
It didn't work. I fucked up again.
Right.
Yeah, that's right. That makes sense.
Oh, whoops.
But I think
That's
right.
fine.
I remember that one. That one's right.
Whoops. Left. Tilt left. Tilt right. Tilt left and right.
Or you're drifting. Yeah, that makes sense. That's
You
pretty good.
still have 4 miles to go before you
left.
reach your
So that's going to like
destination.
1 mile, I guess. There,
Move. Tilt right.
Boom!
You have not reached your
Time's up.
destination.
Oh, you messed up too many times.
Oh.
Wow, that was a
Tilt
terrible
forward.
run. That run was worse than the run we did before.
Let me reset this before I have to, like, whatever.
Restart now. Don't
Before I
even
lose the
bother.
next screen.
Don't even bother. Oh boy, that was bad.
So we continue from the chapter again? Oh my god.
Stop your phone.
What?
Stop your phone.
Yeah.
Move.
It's probably
move.
gonna crash again.
What?
It's probably gonna, well,
Move.
well,
What?
the game's probably gonna crash again, and the car, I don't know, hopefully it won't crash again. Where's my phone?
Move.
Dr. Evil!
Now, what are you talking about?
I don't know where my phone is. You're on the game. What are you doing?
Well, the keys. Finding everything else but your phone.
I can skip this part. Just push it to the minigame.
Give me my damn car.
Excuse me?
What if you like purposely like just crash your car in the beginning? It's just like, oh, I tried, man. I tried. I tried, man.
I mean,
It's not even your car. It's like his car. Like,
You could-
what do you want to save his car for?
you could refuse the challenge.
What if you want to mess with him and like break his car?
Fuck your car, you son of a
Good to
gun.
see you. What can I do you for?
So you cursed for the F part, but not for the B part. Or whatever.
You son of a gun.
Yeah.
I'd like to get my car.
Where's your phone?
Oh.
Hey, you're a pretty patient guy, you are. That car's been there for 2
So it
years.
gives you the keys.
We took it out for
Then
a
you
drive,
don't go with them
checked
out
the
window.
tires and batteries, just like you said.
You can get
Here,
it right here.
it's the 3rd floor
Thanks.
down.
That's straight
Service
back up to
elevator. Ah, you have yourself a good one, Chief.
It's so weird having that thing way down there.
You walk so slow, Ethan. Speed it up. Just having a stroll.
What if we just like? I realized there was like a lot of YouTube back then. What if you just on YouTube say like, the origami kill us like a little bitch or something?
What are you saying? What are you talking about?
It's just like, screw you, man. You're my son.
He just gets on you. You said he gets on YouTube and does that?
Yes. So screw the origami.
Screw you, origami killer, you bitch! You take my son, you bitch! I'm gonna tell all my friends on YouTube. Get thousands of views. Origami killer replies, "You don't even have a dozen followers, Ethan.
Or monetized.
No one's gonna care. I'm monetized. What are you gonna do about it?
Monetized.
You're not even monetized, Ethan. Have you seen your analytics? Screw you. I'm gonna get thousands of views to cursing out the origami killer."
I feel like there's a lot of that will like found footage things or whatever.
I don't know, I guess people would take it to the news.
Or like Blair Witch now.
Back in the day,
Because Blair Witch now will get YouTube or whatever.
back in the day, people would take that stuff to the news or whatever. People
Just put it on Twitter.
don't do that anymore. People don't talk to journalists anymore.
Well, you know, it's like big news or whatever.
What do you mean?
Like it's all owned by like big, like billionaires or whatever.
Yeah, but like, you know, you can still use that as an outlet.
It's like small.
Take a left at the next intersection.
I guess that's you got local social media yelling.
You're saying all this stuff about big business news, but when was the last time you supported an independent journalist outlet?
You paying them?
Yeah.
I give them a lot of ads.
When was the last time you did a direct donation to independent journalism?
The wrestling count.
Okay, maybe. I don't know. But like that is, yeah, maybe it's not the same kind of.
It didn't crash, yeah.
Oh, okay.
I guess we got some crash thing now.
All right.
You have reached your destination. Are you ready
Should I
to
get
show
that
your
piece of
courage in
paper
order
again
to
or
save
whatever?
your son?
Probably, yeah.
Where is it?
Listen.
Okay, well, let's go look for it. Should be here somewhere. Let me see with that phone.
Oh, is this it?
Yes.
Now I'm like hidden behind this blanket.
Let's see. Oh wait. Let's see. That might even work. Oh, that's fine. Okay. Also, the best wide receiver for San Francisco 49ers has requested for a trade. This is pretty big news. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. I get that article.
Wow, that sounds like the biggest news I've heard in a while.
Maybe it is.
I mean, I haven't heard news that big.
Like what? You read the whole. Wait, read this whole paragraph first. That looks very important. Somebody can tell me right away.
There's two options here: tilt left, then tilt right, or tilt right, then tilt left, to avoid the police cars chasing you. This one is causing.
That part, basically.
Hold on. This part is causing a lot of people grief. It is tricky, but only because the QTE is being misunderstood. A lot of people say that your controller must be absolutely flat. This is true. However, some people are saying that they got it by going right. Some people are swear they got it by going left. What people don't realize is that they did both. The trick is to do both. The QTEs displayed are not a choice. You don't choose one or the other. They're both there because you're supposed to choose both. Basically, you want to slowly wiggle your car side to side. My recommendation, the camera will go to the in-car view, then the QTE events × 2 will appear. Slowly tilt right, then left. The camera should cut to your outside and your car will swerve away from the police car
I'm not sure
without bumping fenders. If you get hit, you need to start again. Do not get hit.
Okay.
Do not get hit by the police car. If you get hit by the police car, the trophy will not pop.
Yeah, I hit by a police car last time.
So you gotta tilt towards the police car and then tilt away from it or whatever.
Wait, if I hit the police car, it's alright, right? Not if the police car hits me, I'm guessing.
Something like that.
Alright.
You're not supposed to get hit by the police car.
Okay. And I fall anyway. I don't know if in the end I'm supposed to like.
So anyway,
crash
just
in the
tilt
end.
left and tilt right.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know, it's impossible to look at both this screen and the other screen at the same time.
Yeah. Really? Wait, so try it now?
Okay, yeah.
Carefully. Take
Trying to say
the
stuff.
highway
Oh, there's a
and
neighbor.
drive against the traffic
Talking
for
about
5
honeybees
miles.
or something.
If you haven't reached your destination in 5 minutes, you will have failed.
I can do it. I'd do anything to save my son. If I succeed,
for
I'll get
circle,
more
yeah.
letters for the hangman. It's my only need. No turning back now.
Okay. So let's skip for. So I guess triangles right away.
I've got to do it. For Sean's sake. I have no choice.
Let's do it! For Sean! And the trophy. Okay, left. Come on! The first one. Left.
Okay.
Then tilt right.
Oh. And that works.
Tilt right, then right. Then left.
Wait.
Then left. Then tilt left. Then tilt right. Then tilt left and right.
Oh, no good.
You still
So
have
4
4
minutes.
miles to go
To
before
left.
you reach your destination.
No, left and right.
Tilt right. Tilt right.
Work.
Now left at the barrier. R2.
It's a circle.
R2. To right. To left. To right.
Wow, this is a
To
different
left.
route.
You
I
still
think.
have 3 miles to go before you reach your destination.
L2. X. What the hell is this? Right.
I just forget it.
You still have 2
Then
miles
towards
to go
left.
before you
Oh
reach
shit.
your
What's going on?
This is a different route.
This seems different from mine. So, yeah, just keep doing stuff.
Look at the screen. Look at the screen. Help me out.
Go out the goddamn way!
Well, that was a pretty innovative car. It drove backwards to avoid you.
You still have 1 mile to go before you reach
Tilt left
your
and tilt
destination.
right.
Makes sense. Looks good. Nice.
Right.
Nice. Oh, what's Ah, no!
Left. X.
Screwed up in the end.
Getting better.
Just missed those last two.
Destination reached.
Destination
Please
reached.
press the screen. Destination reached. Please press the screen. Destination reached. Please press the screen. Destination
It's upside down, those
Your
bastards.
reward is
Oh,
in
yeah.
the glove compartment. The key is inside the GPS. Your reward is in the
Oh, wait,
glove
oh,
compartment.
that's confusing.
The key is inside the GPS.
Oh, wait, maybe I did
Your
get this.
reward is in the glove
PS3?
compartment.
Yeah, the PS3.
Oh, yeah.
I remember seeing something like this.
Why couldn't you just break it? So you could have just broke it the whole time.
Yeah, exactly. What the hell is X upside down? I can't read that.
Oh, which way do they go?
I don't think it matters. Go the other way now. you go. Got it.
Good job. That's not
God!
Holy shit, what a day.
Yeah.
Could use some Arizona iced tea after that.
I think it might have taken the best route. I don't know if it did the commands properly though. So.
And what is that? Like, what kind of phone is that? What do you just...
I'm supposed to put no save exactly when you shoot. Yeah. I'm supposed to put no save, so I won't have a clue when I actually do the game.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Can you save manually?
I don't think so.
Can you start setting up save after this?
I don't think so. You can already tell like what street that is right now because like there's not that many words, that many letters for street. Yeah.
You have unlocked a new bonus.
All right, I got
Trophy.
one. Look at the second one.
Good driver. Good driver.
I got one, I think.
You only got one. You're supposed to get two.
Yeah. I figured I didn't get the best route or something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of, I don't know, there's a lot of different things on the things they said there.
Yeah.
It's very, I think it's possible to like go to the wrong destination at the end. It's very dissatisfying. It's like, why'd they even let me do that? It's such a boring storyline.
Some of the sort of reminds me of the complex.
Yeah. The complex definitely takes a lot of cues from games in the genre and stuff.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. Do you want to do that scene again or what?
Guess we could. Then I have to do the car thing again.
Yeah. Okay.
You want to do the car scene?
I don't know. I'm tired.
Yeah, I'm sort of tired too, yeah.
Okay. Are we done being on camera?
Yeah, I guess we are, yeah.
Okay. Sean!
You said that while you're off camera.
Sean!
She's not, this is not even her. It's not even him.
Ethan! You have to save your son, Sean!
With the Portuguese version.
Sean! I'd do anything to save my son. I'd do anything.
You did the hardest challenge.
I have to do it. I'd do anything to save my son. What are you willing to do to save your son? Save your son or you'll get banished to the Shadow Realm.
That's what I was going to go.
Your son is Ethan. I don't know why Ethan sounds like crap.
You mean Jason?
Jason.
Jason.
I'm trying to do like Grandpa Moto, but it's Sean somehow.
Yeah, that sort of works, yeah.
After explaining
Wait,
it.
if it's Jason, it works. No, I can sort of figure that out. It works more with Jason than Sean, because Sean's only one syllable.
Yugi,
Yeah, sure.
Origami Killer.
Yeah, there you go. Son of a bitch.
Okay, no spoilers, But,
I don't know what to do here.
I don't know. Yeah, there's a lot of weird misogyny in this game that's like, why is this in this game? It's pretty bad and outdated. I was like, this scene's here for...
Oh yeah, I did buy a hotel room.
Sometimes it's like, oh, you did. Wait, so what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Just
now?
go back. You gotta go back and buy a hotel room.
You can't just wander up to the hotel.
No, you can't.
She has no umbrella.
Nobody has an umbrella. Like, you've always been pouring rain forever.
Does this take
It's a
place in
restaurant,
Seattle
right?
or something?
Looks like it, yeah.
Does Pacific North. I'm getting Pacific Northwest or British Columbia vibes.
Your life is strange. Yeah, there you go.
I feel like if you said it in like maybe British Columbia or Quebec, maybe that explains why people kind of talk with like a semi-French accent.
Sweetheart,
I think they mentioned that in
what
this
can I
game.
do for you?
What, they mentioned that?
I'd like a room.
Some commentator did
For
that. Yeah.
you? Anything.
I know. Oh Jesus!
Feeling the register.
Does the origami killer know about her? I forget.
What do you mean?
Like he knows. Like the origami killer obviously knows about Ethan's
Yeah.
journey, right? He's like following him.
Yeah.
Madison,
Like, does he know about like,
27.
her story, like her involvement
Single.
in this whole situation?
How long will you be standing?
Encounter
with us
Jumper in
this
some
page?
playthroughs.
I don't know yet.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Room 201. Last floor, stairs on the right, in the courtyard.
Get which rooms they use in
Thanks.
like the Bates Motel and
Pleasure was
stuff.
all mine.
That's for sure.
Yeah, they just do stuff like that in this game. Let me see.
What is that? One? Is that one or two?
Yeah.
106. Okay, so they go up and then one. The staircase. Love this place. Why is there no staircase here?
I feel like there are actual like motels that have like a concrete design like this.
A bunch of them. It sort of reminds me of like the California hotels that are randomly in places.
Yeah,
It's a motel, I guess, so like whatever.
motel.
I think that's the second floor.
Oh, there it is.
Oh no, go back. Tank controls. To read that. I assume that's mine just because it's sitting out there.
Oh,
Good.
so is she on the case at this point, or?
Probably. They find out about you find out about it later, which is a spoiler for everybody else.
Oh, okay.
Sir? Are you alright? I'll call an ambulance.
No ambulance.
You're badly hurt. You need a doctor.
Please, just help me to my room. It's number 207.
I should tell he's probably hurt when he has like all his clothes on.
I guess he was like slumped down and his head was bleeding.
Oh, he said the blood right. I don't know if it's here. Or maybe it washed off in the rain or something. Can we these? 205. Yes, 205. Okay, there we go.
Have you got the key?
Seems like he needs a coffee.
There's a lot of coffee memes on Discord recently. Stuff that day.
Oh, okay.
And like Twin Peaks. And apparently there's like a G Lynch in the Kansas City Royals now.
Okay.
You're really in bad shape. You should see a doctor.
Must have one, maybe two broken
America, they have no health care. No health care.
It's not fatal.
You get help.
But it's
Sorry,
sore
no,
as
it's not
hell.
again.
Your head is bleeding. It looks deep.
Yeah, I thought there was something about how. Did the origami killer say he's not allowed to go to a hospital or something?
I don't know. I don't think he says that.
I don't know. Does he not say that? You're not allowed to go to a hospital. I think he's not allowed to tell people what he's doing, right? Like something like that. Like he's like, I'm tracking your movements or
I
something.
guess that's another thing. Like he's famous because like he lost his son or whatever. You know, like there's probably known people who do that.
Yeah.
I should disinfect his cuts.
Right.
Get the other thing.
I think you do one at a time.
No, you okay?
I had 4 of them over there before.
You could get the other one too.
Really?
Yeah, there was another one you could get.
I think
I'm
that would
gonna
have been putting it
disinfect your
back or
wound.
something. I'm not sure.
This might hurt a little.
Yeah, there's like you could do this in a different sequence.
Yeah. Also, like, this whole hospital has all this medicine stuff, which is very helpful.
There. At least it won't get
It's a
infected.
motel room or whatever.
Thanks.
I don't know, it's just one of those kinds of motels. It's like a, it's like going to a Denny's at 3 a.m. You know,
Do not take more than 1 pill.
you
every
just
24
know
hours.
what you need.
Here. Take this. It should do you
What
some
is it?
good. It's a painkiller.
I think
It'll
that
help
will
reduce the pain.
return the medicine back, because like, now gives me options to get more medicine now.
Okay.
It says on the box to take 1 every 24 hours.
Well, she's
I don't
like
think
a
it's a good
doctor.
idea to exceed the dose.
Whoa,
Man,
okay,
whoa,
okay.
careful there, buddy.
I wouldn't move around for a few days if I were you.
I'm gonna take a shower.
All right. Let me help you.
It's so you're messing with the QTE.
Because I'm not gonna help him out. It's hard to do those kind of movements on this controller. Maybe it's better on
The thing is,
PS3, I don't know.
like, he has a timer in which he has
I'll
to
wait
do
here
all
until
this
you come
stuff.
out.
So he goes
Let me
down.
know.
What if we just stay there for like 24 hours?
So he's not allowed to just like waste any time like going to a hospital and stuff.
Yeah,
So
right.
that's why.
Madison, why are you just not helping me get up to and go to... Let's take a shower now. Like, what's up with that?
Talk to
What do you
me.
mean, what's up with that?
That way I'll know if
What's
you
up with
pass
her
out.
peeping?
What's
She's
your
a
name?
peeping Tom. Leave the man alone.
Are you still there?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry.
She's just standing at the door.
Are you staying in the hotel?
I don't even think they animated his legs.
Are you still there?
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
don't
I'm
think he's
sorry.
like anybody else.
Okay,
No, I live in town.
Yeah, just leave.
I
whatever.
suffer from
Yeah,
chronic
this is a story
insomnia.
that she
I
does,
seem to
yeah.
only be able to sleep in motels. Don't ask me why.
She's
Whenever I
sleeping in
get
her
too
own room.
exhausted, I
That's what
come and
it's
spend a night here.
thing.
I'm just passing through. And what else do you
Get some
do,
chips.
apart from fixing up
The
street?
sun chips?
I'm a photographer. I take pictures of furniture for fashionable design magazines. And you?
I'm an architect.
Maybe go somewhere else. What else is? Just like rummage through all
I
this
don't
stuff.
know. I don't know if I'm like. This is
Rummage
value.
through all this stuff.
Where's the shoebox here? Because I left it out.
Just take all this shit. Rob him. He's vulnerable. He's taking
He
a
lost his
shower.
son. He lost his son. Are you
Thanks for staying. I feel a lot better now.
Sorry, I found nothing of value in your motel room anyway, so there's nothing to rob you of.
I better get going then.
As long as you were gonna be threw away.
For an architect, you have nothing of value in your room.
You have poor fashion.
By the way, you never told me your name.
He's not supposed to do that.
Ethan.
It does it
Be
anyway.
careful, Ethan.
I feel like now this technology looks like it's
Technology's alright.
Okay.
The story isn't that good as an issue.
yeah. It kind of reminds me of. I feel like this feels as far away as like PS2 era graphics.
I mean, it's sort of cool because you transition from her chapter to his chapter
Oh yeah.
like that, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, there's a connection between the chapters. Yeah. Oh yeah, now you're going to. So now you've changed the protagonist now.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Yeah. It's like changing the narrator or whatever.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the power planet. That's interesting. I skipped that too first play. The car scene gives you a lot of clues. It tells you pretty exactly like which street it is.
Okay.
I don't even know where the origami killer gave you that many clues. Like, basically told you the street. So I guess next is Shelby. Oh, it's him, alright.
What is this guy's? What does he contribute again? Okay.
Like
I know he's the detective, right? He contributes AR goggles,
and he saves everybody.
He's
basically.
playing Pokemon Go. Everyone else is. I guess he's actually trying to be a man of the law and stuff while having this really annoying.
I don't know why he's working with this cop. Like, are they different? Like, is it one like CIA or whatever that is the cop? I don't know why they're working together.
Yeah, this cop is really annoying.
Yeah.
I think they really want you to hate him.
could have had a gun. Could have killed me.
They're trying to make
They really want you to hate this guy as much as
I
possible.
prefer to have all the information before making a decision.
It's not really civil. He's like a terrible person. We don't know.
What do you mean we gotta help children? I hate children.
We weren't even talking about Springy since the game, yeah.
We're not. What do we have to do with children?
I'm sorry.
We have to serve and protect.
What do you mean we gotta?
Street cop who's been through the mill.
Push the children out of the
I
way.
didn't think you'd scare
We're
some
We're trying to investigate the places are possible. We should go around the streets and look for this
Why did
guy.
you fuck off, Norman?
Jaden, Jason, yeah.
Why did you fuck off, Norman?
That's him.
Jesus. Well, seems like somebody got up on the wrong side of the bed today. I'm just trying to do my job.
Yeah? Lieutenant Carter Blake, I'd like to ask you some questions.
That's not moving. I don't know how they think this is shit, though.
Just stand there, he's gonna get away! Ah! Hey man, watch it!
Sure, I think there's a trophy for this. Let me look it up.
Just try it. I don't know.
I guess I can just do the replay, but you never know if it disconnects and then it corrupts the save.
Should you save?
This is never general.
Can you set up the save now?
You can save on the PS4, and then I gotta set up saving on the cloud.
Can you set up saving now?
I don't know if you can do it in the middle of the cutscene. Let me see.
I might save after the cutscene, though.
Should be fine. I didn't screw up anything.
Okay.
So upload. Oh no, I can't do that now.
Oh, that's bad.
Close it.
Okay, so you can't do cloud saving,
Wait.
but maybe you can get it to at least save on the console. I mean,
It's already saved on the console. Yeah.
Oh, okay, it's already saved on the console. So did that save your last scene you just did?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's
Yeah, it's
good.
auto save for this game.
Okay.
Okay, so the bear, good driver.
Yeah, I was trying to get you the bear.
Okay, so I got the good driver, not the bear. Yeah. Oh, it's called Kamikaze. Even though you took the best route, so it's really weird. Okay, so I have to beat up Corda in the storage. I don't even know. I might got this already. I don't know. Let's see.
I think there's also some chase sequences where like you could just mess up the whole thing and like you'll just still get through the whole thing.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
That's not a super big spoiler because you don't know which scenes they are, but you'll know which ones they are when you play them.
I beat Corda. All right.
Oh, okay, you got it. Nice.
So let's screw this up. It'll be fine. I already got Corda before.
That's so cool that they did all that motion capture for all those fail states.
Ah, crap.
Too much bumping